Hey guys, my name is Scott Mueller, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best blueberry muffins, which are perfect for any time of the year and are absolutely killer. Let's go over the ingredients. Alright, so we have some brown sugar, some regular sugar. We have some buttermilk. I'll post a recipe on how to make that down below. We have some oil, flour, lots of blueberries. This is totally something that you can manipulate in any way that you want. We have some pecans. We have some cubed butter, cinnamon. We have some vanilla extract. We're gonna need the zest of a lemon. We have some baking powder, baking soda, and a little pinch of salt, an egg, and that's all we need. All right, so the first thing we're going to need to do is grab our mixing bowl, and we're going to mix in the flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, and our salt. And then we are going to take out just a little bit of this mixture, put it in a bowl. I'll put a little bit more. You're going to use about 1/4 of your mix, and then you're going to put your blueberries in there. The reason for this is to make sure that our blueberries do not completely sink to the bottom of our blueberry muffins. We want them to be evenly distributed. All right, so in another bowl, I'm going to crack one of my eggs, and then I'm going to put in both of my sugars, and I'm going to get my whisk and cream this together until we get a more pale and lighter consistency. Just go ahead and mix this for a little while. All right, this looks absolutely perfect. Everything's really nice and creamed together. So now what I'm going to add is about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For this, you want to really get a good quality vanilla extract. Now I'll do a little bit more. There we go. Mix that in. All right, great. Now I want to add the zest of a lemon. This adds a really good flavor inside of it and helps bring out other flavors. Go ahead and add your oil. All right, now I'm going to add in my dry ingredients. Mix all that together. Add my buttermilk. Just go ahead and mix this until we have a really nice batter. So everything is really nicely mixed in. Now we have to fold in our blueberries. So go ahead and pour that in. And what we're going to do, be very gentle with it. You just want to fold everything in. Just be patient. So I just finished my batter. It's very thick, but I promise you that's okay. Now let's go ahead and work on our topping. So what I'm going to do is add the butter and all of my sugar. So I just broke my butter into some smaller pieces. Now I'm going to add some flour and cinnamon. Mix that up. And then I'm going to add my chopped pecans. Pecans, tomato. You say what you want. Mix that all up. And now we have an amazing topping. All right, so I have my topping here and I have my batter. Now all I've done is line my muffin tray with 12 baking cups. So what I have is a 1/8 measuring cup, and I've just put a little bit of nonstick spray in there to help make sure that we get even muffins, but we also don't have a really difficult time getting our batter into our muffin cup. So what I'm going to do is fill up my 1/8 cup, and then put that inside of my muffin cup. And I'm just going to continue to do the same thing with all the rest of them. All right, so unfortunately, I only got 11 muffins out of that for some reason. That's okay though, that'll be plenty for us. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I'm going to end up popping these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. But before I do so, we have to put on this amazing topping. So go ahead and just give every single one of them a very generous amount. You just want to sprinkle that right on top. Make sure you get some butter and a little bit of pecans on every single one of them. I'm going to finish these up and I'll show you what they look like right before they go in the oven. All right, my 11 muffins look really, really good. Like I said, I preheated the oven at 400 degrees. I'm going to pop these bad boys in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I just got to show you what they look like before they're done. And in the course of 3, 2, 1. Look at these muffins. They were in the oven a little bit longer than expected, about 28 minutes, but I know that they were worth the wait. All right, I've been eyeballing these ever since they came out of the oven. I have to go ahead and dig in one of these. What one do I want? All right, I'm gonna go with this one. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. I could just tell that they're gonna be absolutely amazing. Get rid of this wrapper. Ooh, you could just see that they're crumbling. Here we go. I know this is gonna be a good one. Here we go. Oh my. These things are so good. I promise you they're the best muffins I've ever had. You can't even get these at a bakery. Cinnamon, lemony, lots of blueberries, which is a must. I go to all these places and they put like 3 blueberries. I'm like, I need more blueberries than that. So much flavor. The batter was so thick when we put it in the oven, but it comes out so light and so fluffy. You've just got to trust me on that, I promise you. Oh, these are so amazing. You have got to try these. The recipe's down below. If you do make them, please do take a picture, share it with me. I'd love to see it. Anyways, thank you so much for spending time with me today in the kitchen. Until next time, bye-bye.